Unisert multi-wall system has been in business since 1968 and has been providing solutions for corrosion problems in both new and existing pipeline for over 40 years. One of the biggest problems in the industry are pits, or the loss of metal, caused by corrosion in the toughest pipeline environments. With Unisert's patented multi-wall system, corrosion problems are prevented and/or eliminated. The pipeline is restored to optimum performance levels and provides customers a low-maintenance system which will save the industry thousands per year. Unisert's IT3 system design is made up of an internal liner, external steel casing, and the annular space filled with Unisert's patented grout system. The IT3 system provides negative buoyancy, serves as a thermal insulator, transmits hoop strength, and forms a secondary corrosion defense. Unisert's IT3 system has been installed in all types of climates, from the tropical humid conditions of the Caribbean to the frigid Alaska North Slope. The IT3 system is suitable in offshore and in terrains ranging from mountains, flatland, frozen tundra, refineries, plants, and the congested streets of major cities, with project distances ranging from less than 100 feet to 200 miles. In Santa Barbara, California, 1982, Unisert introduced and applied its patented SK joining system. This was a very delicate project in that it involved a high concentration of H2S, hydrogen sulfide, and about 17% CO2, carbon dioxide. Since California had a very strict environmental policy, a very close eye was kept during this project, and to this day, it is still running. Unisert's SK collar was able to seamlessly create a connection between two strings of pipe without leaking any of these hazardous gases into the environment. The selection of liner materials are endless and are determined by the customer's needs, along with the type of products and pressures that are handled within the existing or new pipeline. The IT3 system liner material can consist of FRP, PE, PB, PVC, among others, and are chosen for its corrosion and chemical resistance, as well as excellent flow characteristics. The liner can range from 2 inches to 100 inches and even larger, with a pressure range from vacuum to 3,500 psi, depending on the type of outer case and liner material specified. High temperatures can also be reached on the liner material selected and its compatibility with the fluid stream. When the liner arrives to the job site, it is carefully inspected and then prepared for the joining process. Once the joining process is completed, the strings of liners are ready for testing and are ready for insertion. Once the liner is joined and tested, it is then ready for the steel pipe to be cleaned and calibrated. The cleaning process consists of poly or metal pigs, or a combination of both, and will ensure a great basis for inserting the liner with minimal imperfections. The cleaning and calibration process will also allow us to evaluate the condition of the line and will help determine if any imperfections are present in the line prior to inserting the liner. After all the strings of liners have been hydrostatically tested and the steel pipe has been cleaned and calibrated, then the insertion process begins. The liner is inserted using a pull or push method, depending on the diameter of the pipe. The IT3 system has been inserted from shore to vessel for new or existing lines, tunnels, flat terrain, in major cities, and jetties over ocean waters. In this video, you are seeing an example of an in situ project where the liner is inserted in an existing steel pipeline. The liner is placed on rollers to help assist in the insertion process. This insertion was done from shore to vessel in 2010 in Etten, Peru, South America. The steel pipe is 14 inches and the fiberglass liner is 12 inches with an estimated 4,700 feet. After the completion of the insertion process, a hydrostatic test is done on the liner. After the hydrostatic test is completed, Unisert's patented grouting system is prepared. In order to properly grout the annular space, careful calculation must be done in order not to damage the liner and provide a centrical grout. During this process, Unisert mixes their patented additives, then adds it to the cement, and then finally injects it into the annular space. During the injection of the grout, the internal pressure of the liner and the injection pressure of the grout are carefully monitored. After 24 to 48 hours, the grout is completely hardened, and the IT3 system is ready for its final hydrostatic test. Unisert's joints and patents are essential in order to meet project demands on various joint applications. One of Unisert's IT3 patented joining systems is the SK collar. The SK collar allows for a double random length manufactured welded joint for standard pipeline laying operations. This allows new steel pipe to be joined within the IT3 system. Preparation for the connection of the strings are crucial, as well as the joining process, for this will allow a smooth internal transition of the liner. After the two ends are connected, then they are welded, X-rayed, and finally prepped for launching. Within the Unisert IT3 system, Unisert has 6 patents, which range from the IT3 system to joints and collars. Let Unisert evaluate your next pipeline project, from existing in situ repair to a complete new pipeline system. Unisert handles every phase of the project to meet customer needs, from design, planning, to post-installation analysis, and both standard design and customer technical services are provided. With the double wall containment and annular monitoring systems intact, leaks caused by corrosion are reduced or eliminated, thereby cutting cost due to system downtime while lowering risk to the environment. Firewater lines are also available for various applications, such as onshore terminal applications and offshore platform applications. The IT3 multi-wall piping system may be your best alternative to traditional pipeline installation, repair, and replacement methods. With references across the pipeline community and over 40 years of experience, Unisert multi-wall system is a proven winner and meets the challenges to make your pipeline operation a long-term success.